Vitaliq Anti-Wrinkle Calcium Balm. Is it really worth the hype? Let's find out together. So, what's this balm all about? Well, it's designed to tackle fine lines and wrinkles, help restore skin firmness, and give you a smoother, more youthful look. It's packed with calcium ions and antioxidants to support skin hydration and regeneration. And the texture? Oh, it's super nice. Non-greasy, melt-in, and easy to apply, even over your makeup. Perfect for daily use, right? Now, let's talk about some positives. First up, ingredients. The brand is very transparent. They list everything clearly. You've got calcium, petrolatum, Sera alba, and a few other goodies. It's always reassuring to know what you're putting on your skin. It shows the brand cares about quality and safety. Next, the texture. This balm is lightweight and glides on effortlessly. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. No sticky or greasy feel, so you can even layer it under makeup without any worry. Sounds convenient, right? And here's the best part. It's multi-use. Face, eyes, lips, neck, all covered. It simplifies your skincare routine and is travel-friendly, so you can take it anywhere. Daily use feels easy and hassle-free. What are people saying? On Amazon, it's got 5-star reviews. That's impressive. But fair warning, there aren't a ton of reviews yet. Users love it for being gentle, effective, and convenient. They notice improvements in firmness, texture, and hydration. It's great for sensitive areas like under the eyes, neck, and smile lines. And yes, it's lightweight, fragrance-free, and simplifies your skincare routine. So is Vitaliq Anti-Wrinkle Calcium Balm legit? From what we've seen, yes, it's transparent about ingredients, lightweight, fast-absorbing, multi-use, and gets positive feedback from users. It seems like a gentle, convenient option to improve skin firmness, texture, and overall appearance. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and honest reviews.